How to make Virgo man fall in love with Gemini woman. When it comes to love, Virgo men are known for being thoughtful, practical, and detail-oriented. Gemini women, on the other hand, are spontaneous, curious, and lively. At first glance, they may seem mismatched, but with the right approach, this earth-air combination can create a unique and lasting bond. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 concise and effective ways how to make a Virgo man fall in love with a Gemini woman. 1. Show your intelligence. Virgo men love smart, well-spoken women. Stimulate his mind with meaningful conversations and a quick wit. 2. Be emotionally stable, avoid mood swings. Virgo men value emotional control and composure. Stay calm and grounded in discussions. 3. Appreciate his efforts. He shows love through small, thoughtful actions. Acknowledge and praise these gestures, he notices everything. 4. Respect his schedule. Virgos are creatures of habit. Don't disrupt his routine too often, instead, introduce new ideas gently. 5. Engage in deep topics, go beyond small talk. Share your thoughts on books, life goals, or philosophy to build a mental connection. 6. Give him time, he's not quick to open up emotionally. Be patient and let trust grow naturally over time. 7. Be reliable. Geminis are known for flexibility, but to win him over, be consistent. Keep promises and show commitment. 8. Support his goals, cheer him on, but avoid criticism. He's already hard on himself. Encourage his dreams without pressure. 9. Keep it classy. Virgos love elegance. Whether it's how you dress or how you speak, refinement makes you more appealing to him. 10. Listen more, let him talk. Listen without interrupting, and he'll feel safe opening up emotionally. Mastering how to make a Virgo man fall in love with a Gemini woman lies in balancing excitement with steadiness. When the Gemini woman blends her charm with loyalty and depth, the Virgo man won't just fall in love, he'll stay there. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.